issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Fayette County, Ohio, north central Clinton County, southeastern Clark County, eastern Greene County, Madison County, until 2:15 p.m. At 1:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Jamestown, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Xenia, London, West Jefferson, Cedarville, Jamestown, South Charleston, Jeffersonville, Choctaw Lake, Wilberforce, Lisbon, New Jasper, Brighton, Lafayette, South Solon, Midway, Bowersville, Port William, Clifton, Octa, and Paintersville. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 71 and 80. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 50 and 86.